Hello, vinyl fans, and welcome to another episode of Let's Clean a Record. I am your cleaning guy. Today, it's Charlie's Choice. What do you got for us, Jug?
Symphonie Fantastique.
Ooh, Berlioz. Why'd you choose this one?
Well, it's going to be featured this upcoming season for the Reno Philharmonic, and I think we should go.
We'll go. Let's get tickets. Looks like you got the, this is the mono pressing? I know a little bit about RCA, Victor. Let's take a look. Got the original inner as well. Very nice. I love this. Look at the prices. $1.29. We've got what I would expect for an original U.S. pressing, I'm pretty sure. Let me take a look. I see in the runout groove an E4. That tells us 1954. And R is red seal. P is 12-inch 33 1/3. This is an original mono pressing. Very nice. Well done. Well, how shall we clean this? You know, we haven't used the Loricraft in a while. Let's break out the Loricraft and give this fairly dirty record a nice clean. Let's get to it. Let's clean this record. If you enjoy the music of Beethoven, you might want to check out Belioz. It is said that he was not only a fan, but rather obsessed with him. And this particular composition, Symphonie Fantastique, it tells the story of a genius artist who is not getting on with the girl of his dreams, unrequited love, and he turns to opium. It's kind of a dark story in that regard. It's a lovely piece of music, though. All right, let's get to cleaning this record. Okay, final thoughts and for the record. Great choice, Charlie. This was a beautiful piece of music. What'd you think, Chuck?
I thought it was awesome.
I thought so
I
too.
can't wait to hear it at the Philharmonic.
We're going to get the tickets. We're definitely going to go hear how the Reno Phil does this one. But as far as this record is concerned, beautifully recorded piece of music. Very transportive. You felt like you were there in the concert hall. You could really hear the acoustics of the space. And of course, the performance, fantastic. Really, really good stuff. Our cleaning regimen did the job. No ticks or pops. Beautiful, quiet, dead silent background. Lovely stuff. We really do like the Loricraft machine. It's just a wee bit quirky, but does a great job. Fun to clean records with that one. All right, fellas, we'll see you at the next record.